name is Meeta from BoosturBrain. In this video, I am going to discuss how to teach a child relationship between units, tens and hundreds. Before starting the concept, make sure the child knows counting 1 to 10 and can associate the quantity to the symbol. Also, he should know the relative size of unit, tens and hundreds. For this, refer my previous videos. You can find the link in the description box right under this video. For teaching the concept, you need 10 unit beads, 10 bars and 100 square. It will take very little effort to make them at home. To know how to make them, please refer my video how to make 10 bar, 100 square and short bead stairs. You can find the link in the description box. Let's see how we can practically teach the concept. We will do it in 3 steps. The first step, show the relation between units, tens and hundreds. Second step, show how to exchange 10 unit with 110 and 10 tens with 100. Third step, reinforce the concept by playing a exchange game. Repeat each step until the child understands the concept. Here, repeating the step does not mean that you have to repeat the step continuously. If the child is not interested or not paying attention, leave it for that time. You can do it again after some time or another day. Let's see how to show the relationship between units, tens and hundreds to a child. Hello Ayans.
Hello.
Do you remember? What is this?
1 unit.
Good. 1 unit bead.
1 unit.
Let's count. 1
1
unit bead.
1
2 unit bead.
2 unit.
3
3
unit bead.
unit.
Very good.
4 unit. 5 unit. 6 unit. 7 unit.
8 unit bead.
10 unit.
9 unit bead.
9 unit. 10 unit. 10
unit bead. 10 unit bead
10
is same as
1
10 bar. 10 unit bead is
10
same as 110 bar. Let's count. 110 bar, 2 10 bar.
3 10 bar.
Good.
4 10 bar. 5 10 bar. 6 10 bar. 7 10 bar. 8 10 bar. 9 10 bar. 10 10 bar.
10 10 bar
10 bar.
is same as
100
100 square. Good. 10 bar
10 bar.
is same as 100 square. Good job. Repeat this step until the child understands the relation between units, tens and hundreds. Once the child understands the relation between the three of them, you can take 10 100 square and 1000 cube and show the relation between both of them. You can stack 10 100 squares on the top of each other and compare it with 1000 cube to show both of them are equal. Let's see how to introduce the place value concept to a child by replacing 10 unit beads by 110 bar and 10 bars by 100 square. Ayaj, do you remember what is this?
One unit
Good. 1 unit bead. Let's count. 2 unit bead.
two unit
3 unit bead.
three unit
4 unit bead.
four unit five unit
Good. 6 unit bead.
six unit
7 unit bead.
seven unit
8 unit bead.
eight unit
9 unit bead.
10 unit
10 unit bead. Do you remember? 10 unit bead is same as?
10 unit one 10 bar.
Very good. Let's exchange it. 1.
One,
Can you count and keep it here?
two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10.
10.
10.
Let's exchange. 10 unit bead is same as
One
110 bar. Let's count. 110 bar.
One 10 bar.
Yes.
Two 10 bar.
Good.
Three 10 bar.
Hmm.
Four 10 bar.
Hmm.
Five 10 bar. 10 bar. Seven 10 bar. Eight 10 bar.
Hmm.
Nine 10 bar.
Hmm.
10 bar.
10 bar. Do you remember? 10 bar is same as?
One hundred is red.
Very good. Let's exchange it.
Yes. One 10 bar.
110 bar. Can you keep here?
One 10 bar. Two 10 bar. Three 10 bar. Four 10 bar. Five 10 bar.
One by one. One by one.
Six 10
Six.
bar. Seven 10 bar. Eight 10 bar. Nine 10 bar. 10 bar.
10 bar is same as?
100 is red.
Very good. Exchange.
Exchange.
Good job. Repeat the step again and again until the child gets the concept. Later on, you can do the same with the 1000 cube. Playful learning experience make the child remember the concept for a longer time. So, be creative while reinforcing the concept. I asked, today we are going to play a game. This is a dice. We'll take a turn and roll the dice and count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That many unit feet I have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you want to play this game?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to take 5 unit bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now Ayash, it's your turn. How many dots?
1.
Please take 1 unit bead. Keep it here. Very good. Now it's my turn. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. I will take 4 unit bead. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 unit bead. Now it's your turn. How many dots? 1,
1,
4. Take 4 unit beads.
1, 4.
Good. Now it's my turn. How many dots? 1, 2, 3. I will take 3 unit beads. 1, 2, 3. I have too many beads. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 unit beads. Do you remember? 10 unit beads is same as?
1, 10.
Very good. Let's exchange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 unit beads is same as 110 bar. Exchange. Now Ayash, it's your turn. How many dots?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6.
Good. 6. Can you count 6 unit bead?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Very good. Now you have too many unit beads. Let's count. 1,
1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. 10 unit bead is same as?
10 bar.
Let's exchange it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Mhm.
6,
One by one, Ayash.
7, 8, 9, 10.
10. You can take
10.
110 bar. Exchange. Continue playing till the child shows interest. Play the game multiple times until the child gets the concept. With this step-by-step approach, a child learns the relationship between units, tens, and hundreds. It prepares the child to understand place value and the decimal system later. It also moves the child towards more abstract operations. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please give us thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. For more informative videos, blogs, and customized expert support for your child, please visit my website boostyourbrain.com.